includes an installed taper attachment. This machine is ISO 9001 certified and has a heavy-duty Spindle D14, which is balanced, hardened, and precision ground. It is powered by a heavy-duty 3-horsepower industrial motor in either 220-volt single-phase or 220-volt three-phase. It has a quick-change gearbox with fast and easy threading setup. This unit comes with 56 variations of inch threads and 44 kinds of metric variations, which are operated by a thread-chasing dial. It has an automatic lubrication system in the headstock and feed gearbox. It comes with standard accessories such as coolant system, halogen working light, 3 3/4-inch steady rest, 2-inch follow rest, a 4-way tool post, 6-inch 3-jaw chuck, 8-inch 4-jaw chuck, foot pedal brake, full-length splash guard, and is backed by a 1-year factory warranty for parts. This lathe will make a great addition to any facility or shop. GMC has been in business for over 20 years and has sold thousands of lathes that are currently in the production field today. We have a large inventory of machines in stock for quick delivery and also have on-site factory tech support as well as a full parts department, so you'll never have to worry about production downtime.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.